Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact YouTube account where restricted mode is active because changes apply per account. Once signed in, go directly to Settings and locate Restricted Mode. This is the first actionable toggle you'll use. Make sure the device isn't controlled by parental apps or a school profile, and check router or DNS filters that can enforce restrictions. If you toggle Restricted Mode off here and it sticks, you're already past the initial roadblock. If it resets, move to the next steps. Once done with the sign-in and basic checks, clear cache and cookies because stale data can force old settings. On mobile, reinstall the app to reset local flags. Next, disable browser extensions, VPN, or DNS services that alter filtering and test in a private window to isolate the issue. Also inspect Google Family Link, supervised accounts, or your organization's admin console since those centrally enforce restricted mode. If an admin controls the setting, you'll need their permission to change it. To finish, toggle restricted mode off and then sign out and back in so YouTube refreshes the account policy. Make sure to restart your device and router to clear any cached network rules. If you're on a managed network or device, contact the administrator to remove enforced restrictions. Otherwise, test on a different network or use a public Wi-Fi to verify. If restrictions persist, switch DNS to a neutral resolver temporarily. And if needed, contact Google support with account details and the steps you've taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.